Here we're back. We're installing the fiberglass wall on the unit that had a lot of water damage. So the whole motorhome was water damaged. We completely rebuilt some of the window frames, like right in here. That window frame was completely rebuilt. Everything else is the original wood. He's spraying the 3M Fast Bond 30 NF adhesive, which was recommended by Hemet Valley RV. They recommended we use that glue to adhere the fiberglass to the wood. It's going to be a long process. They got to glue the whole sheet all the way to the end of the motorhome. And then once that gets done, they got to start cutting the holes for all the windows, the refrigerator, the furnace, the water heater, the entry door. The porch light has a little hole where the wires come out of. So it's pretty tedious, the work that has to be performed to replace the fiberglass skin. That's one thing we're working on right now. Another one is this collision. We're still working on it. And that's pretty much it for now.